Here's new solution from BESTER Automation for precise assembly with microscrew. The solution consists of micro-torque automation module, micro-screw feeder, and desktop 3-axis robot. Micro-screw feeder is compatible for M0.4 M2.0 screws, with feeding rate 4560 PCS/min, and stuck ratio is lower than 0.001%. Precision vacuum nozzle assembly, enabling quick screw picking, no screw dropping during high-speed movement, and service lifespan up to 500,000 times. Desktop 3-axis robot, compact structure, stable and efficient, with a maximum movement speed of 500 millimeters per second and a repeatability accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 millimeters.